In this video, let's take a look at adding a scale bar to a drawing. Scale bars are smart drawing objects, so they get their scale from the drawing itself. Here I've got a scale bar that's showing 50 feet per inch. If I come up here to the toolbar, I see I've got a scale of 50 feet per inch. So that same scale is being represented here in the scale bar. I'm going to delete this one. It came in with our template that we used for this mortgage survey, and I want to show you how to bring one in. So let's get rid of this one first. We insert scale bars as objects or blocks. So I say insert block, and then I look for the folder for scale bars. Let's go ahead and open that up. There are quite a number of these. Some of them are pretty simple, like this one that we had in this drawing. We've got several that will give us scale per inch, and then this one that looks like goes 2 inches, so we get twice that value for 2 inches. Here's 3 of those. Okay. And then those of you that work in metric, it's not so many units per inch, but so many units per unit. So it's a ratio. So we've got the same 1, 2, or 3 of those in ratio. And then quite a number of you like some real skinny scale bars like this. I think some of our BLM folks use particular scale bars. We've got quite a few of them in here. Most of these are things that people have asked about, requested. So I'm going to choose this scale bar. Let's do the scale bar 2 and bring that into our drawing. So Traverse PC has given us a scale bar that divides the first inch in half and labels that 50 feet and then provides another inch at 100 feet. And I want to have you take a look at what happens if I come in and just convert this to a group. So you can kind of see how this got created. Once it's a group, of course, I can put the cursor over any piece of that block. In this case, the text. I'm going to right click, go to Properties. I want you to see that Traverse PC uses a variable called scale. So I pulled that out of the variable list here, and that's what it used for the inch. So that's really units per inch or scale per inch. This 100 then is another variable, and that one is scale 2. So it's 2 times that value, or in this case, the appropriate value for 2 inches. Now the great thing about scale bars is that, of course, they're a block, so I can put them anywhere I want in the drawing. But as soon as I change the scale, and let's say I've got this just about ready to go, but I think I can fit this on the page at 40 feet to the inch. And sure enough, I can just move it around a little bit. But you see what happened to my scale bar? So now it says 40 per inch and 80 for 2 inches. I didn't have to go in and change that. That's the beauty of using smart drawing objects, is because they do all that busy work for me. So now you know how to bring a scale bar into a drawing. And of course, if I want to use this particular scale bar for this kind of a survey, I can just save this as a drawing template. And every time I start a new drawing with that drawing template, I'll have this scale bar in it.